Sowing, harvesting, grinding, kneading, baking, packaging and transporting. We put a lot of energy into our bread. Energy that is warming our planet. But in the Netherlands we produce a surplus of about 700,000 loaves of bread each day. What a waste! We can make the biggest gains in consumer households, but we can also organize the rest of the bread chain more intelligently. 8% of daily fresh bread in supermarkets isn't sold. Instead, a lot of it is used for animal feed. This can be done differently, but only if the entire food system participates. By baking precisely enough bread rather than too much, by using other methods and recipes, and by making consumers aware of the fact that every sandwich is worth eating. Thanks to data, bakers can more easily predict how many products they have to bake and how much and when they need to buy raw materials. And leftover dough, that can be reused in the baking process. And old bread can be used to make new bread, for example, or cookies or gingerbread. Supermarkets are also working towards a waste-free bread chain. For example, by offering frozen fresh bread. In this way, customers always benefit and not a single crumb is wasted. Or by selling yesterday's bread at a discount. At the end of the day, bakeries sell their bread at a large discount via a consumer app. And an online supermarket bakes its bread only after the customer has placed an order. At home, many people already put their bread in the freezer, because consumers don't want to waste bread. But it still happens. This is why our campaigns show how you can make something delicious from old bread. We're working together, from a kernel of grain to the lunchbox, to reducing the waste of bread by 2030.